What's up guys, my name is Tommaso and welcome back to another video of mine. Now in this video I'm going to discuss my 30-day transformation chewing stronger gum. Now the before picture is taken at around the time 3 years ago when I started chewing stronger gum, which is a stiff chewing gum that strengthens your jaw muscles, that contains vitamin D3 and K2. And the after picture was taken roughly 1 month later, after I started chewing it for around 2 hours each day. At the time I was ordering stronger gum from a factory directly until it became available online. Now as you can see, the after picture has a lot more jaw muscle compared to the before. And the interesting thing about that is that it makes a big difference to the appearance of my face. It's not just a small difference. And that's just by adding a bit of jaw muscle onto my skull. Now that is what you could realistically expect in around the period of 1 month. And having strong jaw muscles also pulls your chin forward from the side view and helps to expand your skull. Now I've been doing this for 3 years by now, so right now my jaw muscles are much bigger than even in the after photo I just showed you. And what the gum also contains is vitamin D3 and K2, which are two key vitamins for bone remodeling and other health benefits too. Vitamin absorption through the mouth is shown to be in studies more effective than from vitamin pills that you take. Because when you swallow a vitamin capsule, a lot of it gets destroyed by the stomach acid in the stomach. When the vitamins are in the chewing gum, they get absorbed through the mouth. And chewing is also something that is very important for your posture. It promotes good tongue posture and your neck straight, as you can see. As you guys know, human jaws were designed to chew on hard foods with our back teeth. And that is why our ancestors had much stronger jaws and faces than we do nowadays, because our modern diet is very soft. All the foods you see in the food shop, they're all processed in some way or designed to make them softer, which is not good for our jaws. It is essential to chew stronger gum at least 40 minutes a day. You can take some rest days, but most days you should be chewing this. And not with chewing toys, because chewing toys are not natural. They don't replicate the natural movements of chewing. So yeah guys, I hope you found this video informative, and it really is eye-opening how much of a difference to your face just enlarging your jaw muscles in a short period of time. So yeah, make sure to like the video if you found it helpful or motivational. If you want to start chewing yourself, I've linked where you can get the gum from, and I hope to see you guys next time.